Okay. So here, so these are the pictures which will display in the for the practicals. Okay. The practicals, what you have to identify, you have to identify the structures. Okay. What are the structures you are seeing in this model? In this model, you will see, so this is ovary, the fallopian tube. So in the fallopian tube, like this, usually the fallopian, the ovary is attached like this in the body. This is fallopian tube, this is fallopian tube, and this is the ovary. And here, what is this part? So this part is the fimbria of the ovary, fimbria of the uterine tube. Sorry, it's not the fimbria of the ovary, it is the fimbria of the uterine tube. Okay. Then the next part, this is the uterus. Below the uterus, you see the urinary bladder. Behind the part is the rectum. Urinary bladder, uterus, and rectum. And here also it is the same. This part is pubic symphysis, and behind the bony part is the sacrum. Okay. Next. So this is the male reproductive organs. So what are the organs you are seeing? So here first one is this is the ureter. Both the side, it is the ureter. So either any one picture will come for the exams. Okay, that is why. So there are two models, and the upper part is the vas deferens, and you have a seminal vesicle. This is also a ductus deferens, where this vas deferens, it's continuing like this. And here this part is the epididymis, and here the lower part is the testis. Okay. Next. So this is the male reproductive model. Here what you are seeing is a urinary bladder, rectum, and this is the prostate gland here below the urinary bladder, and then the ureter. So this part, the part which is present inside the prostate, that is called prostatic urethra, and then this urethra comes out in the penis, then it is called the penile part of urethra. Whereas this is the female reproductive model. Here you are seeing the uterus, rectum, the cervical part of the uterus, the urinary bladder. See here, this part is the vagina. Okay, this part, it is the vagina. Then this whole thing, it likes this is vagina, and this part is the cervix. This is the uterus. Okay, and then the small part of the ureter here. This is the small part of the ureter, urinary bladder, and these are the organs of the female reproductive system. Again, here also these both are the female reproductive system. So what you are seeing, the rectum, ovaries, and then this red part is the fimbria of the uterine tube. Don't worry about that. So whichever the structure is marked, so that part will, the same parts we will be asking in the exams. Okay, uterine tube, uterus. Here this part is the uterine tube, and here also you see the uterus, ovary, and urinary bladder and rectum. And these are the appendix and axial and appendicular skeleton. Remember the names of the bones and all, which are the bones present in this, and the joints. So any doubts in this identification and all? Or if you have any doubts you ask,
Doctor,
because yeah,
uh, I don't understand the midbrain relationship and nerve in the midbrain.
midbrain.
Yes, and relation. It's come with us in the particle exam. It's
Yeah,
in the nervous
everything will.
system.
Yes, everything
Okay,
will come.
I don't understand it.
What you didn't understand in the midbrain?
The relation and nerves of the midbrain. I can't identification.
See, there is, so
If
in the,
you,
you open the midbrain in your this thing.
yes,
Now
if
you
you
tell
can
which
open the
part.
slides and can open the slide and tell us about this.
Okay, so it will 1 minute. It will take a time to upload the slide.
Okay, no problem. Nervous system.
See, once again, I repeat, you have to study everything. Anything will come except functions. Except functions, we are asking anything. The practical will come anything, because every time you are asking blood supply is important, muscle is important. Except function, everything is important in the anatomy. We can't tell, see some example, if I tell muscle is not important, but in some other time, in some other structures, some muscle is related to that. That is important. You have to remember. That is why except function, everything is important. Okay. The exam, we will discuss after finishing this midbrain. So what you understand, what you didn't understood in the midbrain?
The relation with another parts and nerves of the midbrain.
See, nerves, the nerves of the midbrain. So the in the midbrain, it gives, there are two nerves. So only the third nerve and the fourth nerve. The third nerve is the oculomotor nerve, and the fourth one is the trochlear nerve. So these are the two nerves. They are coming from the midbrain. If you come, if you see this picture, see this picture. So these are the
Doctor, use
upper
pointer,
part.
please.
Huh?
The use pointer, please.
Which one?
Use the pointer mouse.
Yes. See here, the
Okay,
external features of the midbrain. On the midbrain, it forms the upper part of the brainstem. So how many parts of the midbrains are there? In the midbrain, there are three parts. This is where I am putting the pointer. That is a midbrain. Next, pons, and then medulla. Okay. This midbrain. So where it is connecting? It is, this midbrain is connecting to the thalamus. Okay. The midbrain forms the upper part of the brainstem. Only these three structures, they are called the brainstem. What are the three structures? They are midbrain, pons, and medulla. So these three structures, they are forms the brainstem, and begins the being the shorter and not more than 2 centimeters. The length is 2 centimeters. So where it lies? It lies between pons and diencephalon. The thalamus, this part is the diencephalon. Okay, this is diencephalon and this is pons. So where the midbrain? This part is the midbrain. Okay, the midbrain is where the midbrain is present now. The midbrain is present between diencephalon and the pons. So now it is clear, this word?
Yes, yes.
Okay. The connected to the cerebellum by superior cerebellar peduncle. So these, what are these peduncles? So it is the connection between this. Okay, because each something is connecting, no? So if there is a one valley, so the valley is there. In between the valley, there should be something connection. Then only you can cross from this valley to this mountain to this mountain. Like that, the connection between, what is connecting between these two? These two are connected by the structure, that is a structure called cerebellar peduncle. This one. Okay. And contains a narrow cavity called cerebral aqueduct of Sylves. So this a passage. What is this passage? This passage is called aqueduct of Sylves. Here. Now it is okay.
Okay.
So
Very clear.
this aqueduct of Sally, it connects third ventricle to fourth ventricle. So it means, there is a, here is a one cavity, and here there is another cavity. This is a cavity, and here there is a connection. So it is connecting. This is third ventricle, and here is the fourth ventricle. The connection between these is called aqueduct of Sally. Okay.
Okay, doctor. We can go to the next slide.
Next slide. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
What do
two cerebral ventricles.
peduncles? So here, this one.
Peduncles. Yes. Where is the fossa and what's this separate?
See here. So these are the peduncles here. Behind this yellow structure, what is this you are seeing? This one. This is the nerve. Okay. This is the nerve. Behind this where I am putting the pointer. So these are the two cerebral peduncles. Okay. This one and this one. Okay.
Okay. It's clear now.
You just respond to me. So then only it will be easy to. If you keep quiet, then I will thinking that you will not understood. So
Okay.
if you answer, it is more easy for me to go to the further things. Then so these are the two cerebellar peduncles. So in between these two, interpeduncular fossa. It is a, what is interpeduncular fossa? Depression between two cerebellar peduncles. Interpeduncular. So interpeduncular means now you know this is one peduncle and this is one peduncle. In between this, the space, this is interpeduncular fossa. Fossa
Okay.
means what? Fossa means it is the space or a depression which connecting the two peduncles. Okay. Now,
Okay.
now oculomotor nerve. So oculomotor nerve exit from interpeduncular fossa. So where this? So where this nerve is coming here? This nerve is coming from this depression. This is one peduncle. This is one peduncle. Okay. And the space is called interpeduncular fossa, where this oculomotor nerve is coming from this area. Now it is clear?
Yes, it's clear, doctor.
Okay.
Thank you.
And the only cranial nerve, see this. In this diagram, you can, it is one more, it is a one easy thing. So all there are nerves, are the yellow structures, they are coming. Okay. All these are called the nerves of cranial nerve. Okay. They are coming from here. The only trochlear nerve, it is coming from the back side of the brainstem. Okay. Any other
Okay.
doubts? Okay. Someone are asking about the exams. The exam will be on just now 1 minute. 6th December. 6th December. Is it okay
Doctor,
for everyone?
Can't take it in the next week.
No. Because we are not completing the our
Lectures.
whole course, whole lectures. Because the next week lecture is the revision. Because it is the
Okay.
schedule. It is the scheduled program for this term. We if we conduct the exam, they will ask the question. So
Okay,
how you
okay,
can?
doctor. As you
No,
will
that will
see.
no. That so it is on 6th. 6th December 2020. Okay. So I will tell this message to HOD and arrangement for the exams.
Doctor, I have another question.
Yeah.
The anterior relation of the kidneys. We have in the anterior, we have subrannial area. And what else? If you
What?
can open the slide. Anterior relation of the renal and the kidneys.
Kidneys. Okay, 1 minute.
Yes.
Anterior relation. Now the question of Relationship will be like that, not a picture and identification of the specific part, but text should be text found in the slide. What is this question? I am not understanding.
We have a picture of anterior
No,
surface
no.
of
This
the kidneys.
no. This
Okay.
somebody has sent this message. I am not able to. Now the question of the relationship will be like that, not a picture and identification of the specific part. Can you see this question? Yeah, in the urinary system. Okay. Okay, what do you want? Anterior relation?
Yes, doctor.
Yeah. Anterior relation, what you want?
We have the subrenal area. All right. Oh, I don't understand it all, doctor.
See, suprarenal area means the area it is attaching with the suprarenal gland. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Okay. What is hepatic area? Hepatic means what? Hepatic means the liver. It is everything is in the same in the slide only. Right lobe of the liver. Okay. This right lobe of the liver, lateral to the this right lobe of the liver, that is the hepatic area. Here. Area related to the right lobe of, in this picture you can read, area related to the
The
right
biggest
lobe of the,
part.
this one, this is about the suprarenal gland.
Mm,
Which suprarenal gland? That is, you have to write right suprarenal gland. Okay.
okay.
The colon, the hepatic means the liver. Okay, remember. The duodenal area, the second part of the duodenum. Doctor, what about the relationship of intestine? See, again I am repeating. Everyone are asking about everything. So everything is important except functions. I am telling. It is a clear question. It is a clear answer. Everyone are taking one slide, and relation is important. That is blood supply is important. Okay, except function, everything is important. Relation, blood supply, nerve supply, divisions. Okay, doctor, what about the relation of intestine? Right, the answer will be inside, not on the picture. So there is no, see, there is the, I will show you again. Once again I will show you how the exam will come. Exam, practical exam will be. See here, all of you listen here. So there are 8 questions will be there, and each question 2 marks, and total is 16 marks, and each question will be displayed for 2 minutes. So you are having 2 minutes time to answer. Each question will be displayed in the screen by for 2 minutes. Okay, and the each picture will have two questions, question A and question B. So this is clear for everyone now. Is there any doubt in this? We'll go
No,
step by
it's
step.
clear. Clear.
Okay, so we'll go to next. So in the like this, the first one will be, so you will be given the paper. In the paper, the same question will be written. Okay, station 1, and so there will be a same questions will be there in the paper what you get for the to write your answer. The first one is identify the pointed structure, but the question will not be the same. Remember, this is just for a demonstration. Don't again after this don't ask in the exam. You shown in the class different. You are asking, the questions will be different. This is just for a demonstration. Okay, and then next, what you have to write? The relation what we want to know. All the relations. The relation, all the relations, anterior relation. So here, what you have to identify? You have to identify what is this structure now. Now you tell what is this structure. Answer this.
The reproductive system.
No. What is this identification? Anyone. No. This one. What is this? Where the pointer I am keeping? Where is the pointer here? What is this structure? No. Time is not short. The time is, we are giving a more time. Otherwise, if you have, if the exam is there in the practical lab, it will be just for 1 minute. The standard time is 1 minute for one slide. Okay. Yes, urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. So in the urinary bladder, what you have to mention?
You have to, female.
Yeah, you have to mention the relations of the female. What are the relations in the female? In the female, what it is related? It is related to?
In front of the sternum.
Yes.
Sternum.
Next. Suppose. So what is this picture? Here what I identified? Station 2. Identify the pointed structure and side. So what you have to write here for this?
You have hepatic, or the right hepatic.
No. It is not. It is just no. Here just I am marking on this. So here you have to write for answer A. It is the right kidney. Yes.
Okay.
Those are right kidney. Okay. And
okay.
Mention the 4 relations. Any 4 relations of right kidney.
Liver.
Yeah, you can write right suprarenal gland, right lobe of the liver, and right, you can write second part of the duodenum,
van cava,
and the colon.
Van cava veins, I can write it.
What?
Van cava.
Vena cava.
Yeah, vena cava.
No, no, how the vena cava is attached here? What is the anterior relation?
It's closely to the
No, no, no.
anterior.
Anterior, see, that is why always read the mention 4 anterior relations of it. Okay. So if this picture comes, you have to answer like this, or else. So there is a one more picture. So there are two pictures in the kidney. Okay. So if there is another picture where you are showing the inside structure like this. Okay.
Okay.
So if that picture comes, so no need to write the side of the kidney. What about a 4 relations? Relations, any relation again? What you are asking? Relation means what? Means what? What should I tell? No.
No, doctor. I meant you to answer the question.
حداكم الله.
See here, 2 relations is enough. No, no. It is the time frame. It is according to the time we are setting the questions. See, whatever the decisions. See, whatever the it is just for the demonstration I am asking. We may ask. We may ask 1. We may ask 2. We may ask 4. Whatever. It depends upon the question. What are the 4 relations, doctor? 4 relations means.
ما أسوي يا أخي.
Close the MCI.
Doctor, I just want you to just to answer the question B, just to clarify us and to get the info.
Yes. That's all. Just you answer the question on the slides.
No, doctor. I meant I want to know the 4 relations, the 4 anterior relations to the right kidney. If you just can answer.
No, that is there. Yeah, it is there. Everything in the slide, yeah. See, this is 4 relation. There are 5. Just now I showed here. See here. In this slide, I will show you. It is this lecture is given in you are having this lecture. The 4 relations, you have to read that 4 relations. Can you see? I will show you. See here. See this slide. Anterior relations of right kidney. So there are 6 relations of anterior. In that 6, you have to write any 4, or you have to write any 2, or you can write any 1. According to the question I am telling. What I am telling, just remember. So suppose we may ask 1 relation also. We may ask 2 also. We may ask 3, or we may ask all the 6. So if the 4 is answered, if the 4 relations they are asked, you have to write any 4 which is easy for you. Okay. Don't ask, please. Means it is not my choice here. Huh? It is not my choice. So it is clear now. The person, I can't read the names in the Arabic. Okay. The person who is asking. Now it is clear for him.
Yes, it is Abdulillah.
Okay. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you. Thank you, doctor.
Okay.
جيتني مثل الشهر.
يا زان close the mic.
He is singing the song.
يا Arab art محمد عبده.
Okay. So everything is clear now. So what is the
Yes,
answer
Doctor,
for
it's
this?
all things is clear.
Okay.
This
So
is
what is
line.
what is just this is one slide. What is the
line.
answer for this? Identify the picture given in the slide. Okay.
It's right link. Oh,
Very
right
good.
link. Okay.
Very good. This is the good answer. You
Be-
have to
Because it
like
have
so
three
here. Yeah.
loop.
Very good. Very good. There are 3 lobes because there are 3 lobes. So suppose if there are only 2 lobes, then what you have to write?
Left line.
Left lung. Like that. See here. This like this the
Bring
question.
this in the exam, Doctor.
No, see here. I think you all are taking too much of tension. Okay. Read
Because
read
doctor
as
the information is too much. بيقول
no,
لك
because
رايهم.
then see if you come to the lab it will be very difficult. Now the practical session what you are attending like in the lecture hall, it is more easy. Okay. So if you come to
But
the
doctor
lab and
it's all online. It's all online. Therefore we face
inshallah
exam.
inshallah it will be very easy. You all will. Only thing you don't take any tension. Read as your normal study. Okay.
It's clear.
Okay.
ممكن clear يا شباب. Okay.
So anyone have any doubts? So the exam date is I will confirm with the HOD on 6th December. Okay, you all agreed? We will see, we will see, we will see. Inshallah, inshallah,
Doctor,
inshallah, inshallah, your all wishes, your all will be taken in consideration. Okay, that the further details, the timing and everything, I will announce. I will send to the leader, and he will tell you all. Okay.
but doctor,
Okay, Doctor. As you
you can't remove anything besides the function. Yes, the doctor, the relation, just push it out.
Yeah.
Also, doctor, the muscles. Should we study it from
Yes.
the beginning to the end,
Yeah. Muscles means
or only organs?
what? Yeah. Yeah. Muscles, organs. Yes.
Doctor, muscle is not organ.
Muscle is not organ, but but everything is there. Muscle is also there. Organ is also there. Everything you have to study.
Doctor.
Yeah.
Isa right, make questions easy please because we are poor.
Yes. Inshallah, it will be easy. No problem.
Doctor, tell us the truth. Is this the questions of the exam of this demo?
Which one?
Mean it will be the same pattern, or will be different?
For which exam?
The practical one.
Yeah, practical it is the same. Now the demonstration what I am showing you, it is the same like.
It's the same like, okay, it means the same questions but by another way, right?
Yes, yeah, it is the same type of questions in a different, not too much different. It will be almost how you can. It is the same type, no problem.
Oh, good. So not to be the right the definition or something like that, right?
Yeah, no, 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 no. It will be good, no problem.
Wallah, that's okay.
Doctor,
Thank you,
doctor, we
doctor.
can
Ah,
remove the reproductive system because it's little hard.
no, 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 no. It is a part
Yeah,
of.
Reproductive
wallah.
No, no, no. You can't remove. It is not like that.
because
But
have a
doctor,
lot of
it takes too
details.
much.
No, no. It is
Very.
no. No, it is a part of
Okay, choose
medical.
the doctor. Choose one,
Ah.
male or female, for
Yeah,
reproductive
doctor,
system.
man. Doctor, man.
No, no.
Good, doctor. Just
No,
choose
no, no.
one
Or, doc-
because we.
No.
or doctor, female,
See,
female
it is.
only.
See, I
We
don't.
know, men.
See, I don't.
We know.
So these are. We can't remove anything. We can't. That is. It is not. It is not my. It is not in my hand. Okay.
Yeah, doctor,
You
خلاص.
Doctor,
also understand
between
my
us.
problem. You
Doctor,
also.
between
You
us.
also understand my problem because I. So somebody is there above on my head.
Mhm.
Okay,
I have
Doctor,
to.
between us, doctor.
okay.
No, no, no. You not between us and you. Everything I have to tell in the college. They will see after once I give the exam paper. They will see the question exam paper. Then they will ask doctor what you are not giving what I have tell.
دكتور يا اخي
Allah will
just
help.
بطل
Allah will
هذا
help you, doctor.
See, that is
الله
why
forgive.
don't take too much of tension. You are taking too much of tension. That is why this all this problem is.
Yes,
Relax.
doctor, we have too many information, we have too many slides. Therefore, we have so many tension.
Yes, yes. If you go, if you come to the second semester, what you will do? Second semester, it is more than this.
I
The
think in
More
the
headache.
than
next
this?
semester we can go to college
Inshallah, we will
for
see what.
practical. For
We'll see.
practical
We'll
is
see.
very, very, very important, doctor.
Yes. For the practical, we will see what will happen.
Okay.
ان شاء الله ان
Okay.
شاء الله
Inshallah, we.
Inshallah.
دكتور
Okay, doctor.
دكتور just
Thank you very
remember
Okay.
that
much.
we love
Okay.
you
Okay. Welcome.
children.
Welcome. So all of you read well. In the next week again, we'll have a revision class. So by that time, you keep all your whatever doubts you have, so that we can clear once again.
Okay, okay, doctor.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Shall we close the session?
يلا
Okay,
بكاء
thank
الصياح
you.
صياحي بكاء جماعي يا شباب بكاء جماعي
قلنا قراءة والله قراءة. بسرعة. Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
Okay. 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 So what do you want the answer? Answer B. Mention the coastal surface. On the coastal surface, it is related to what? It is related to ribs. What you have? You have the relation of the ribs, intercostal muscles, sternum. Okay. All these are the relations of the costal surface of the costal relation of the lungs.
Doctor, coastal is mean ribs or what?
Yeah, costal surface. It is a ribs and spaces.
Okay, like inter
Yeah,
ribs.
intercostal space,
Rib.
intercostal
Okay.
muscles. Yes, yes. Okay, so it's clear now.
Okay.
Okay then. Bye. Happy weekend.